Hello everyone. In this video, we will see how to mention everyone in Telegram group. So let's get into it. First of all, let's navigate to the Telegram app on your phone and tap on its icon to launch it. Once the app opens up on the screen, find the group chat and open it. Now this is a chat group and I want to mention everyone in this group. So what I need to do is enter @ in the message bar and type everyone without space and tap on the arrow icon to send it. But this is a simple message and it does not mention everyone. Let me show you the correct way. Enter @ again and a new menu will pop up over the text bar. Select group members one by one and then tap on the arrow icon to send. And that's it. This is how you can mention everyone in Telegram group. I hope this video is helpful for you. For more information, please subscribe our YouTube channel and thank you for watching.